Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a quick, simple, easy way on how I fry my conch. Now this right here, I have a meat beater. I already beat my conch with a meat beater. There it is right there. That is how you're going to tenderize your conch. If it's not already tenderized from the store, you need a meat beater to tenderize that baby. Otherwise, if you're trying to fry a piece of conch or some conch, it is not going to come out right. So you make sure you tenderize it. Now in my white bowl consists of 2 beaten eggs because I was only making enough conch for me, okay? I love me some conch and I do not like to share, but if I have to, I will. Now there I'm adding in some Epsom salt, some garlic powder. Gonna be adding in my black pepper. Gonna be adding in also some complete seasoning. And then I'm just going to squeeze. Just squeeze. You don't need to drown it. Just squeeze and use some lemon juice, child. You ain't got to do all that extra stuff. After that, you let it sit for a little bit or whatever, stir it around. And then you're going to take your conch and you're going to place it in some flour. And then you're going to fry it. The max you should fry your conch is 5 minutes. You don't need to over fry it, because if you over fry it, it's going to be too hard. If you under fry it, it's going to be too soft. The max I'll say is 5 minutes.